Got this weird sound in your shoulder? Then try these 3 movements. Do each movement only as far as you can, slowly and steadily. The last one is the most important. You can also do this exercise lying on your back to make it easier. Make sure to execute them evenly to achieve a symmetrical body. No time, no gym, rebuild your body with prime movement.